I'm on my way to Windsor Castle. Oh my god. Okay, so I ended up going to Kingston University to print my ticket off, and then I was like, okay, well, what's the easiest way to get there? And so of course they're like, leave from Kingston Station. The freaking train was delayed 15 minutes. And so now I'm at Twickenham Station, and this train doesn't come for another 20 minutes to Windsor. But yeah, I have my backpack on today because I'm going to come back from Windsor and go to what was I saying? Oh, I'm going to come back from Windsor and go straight to campus to finish up my project, because tomorrow we're going to the Warner Brothers studio, and then we come back from that and go straight into our presentations. So I really won't have time to do it tomorrow. Yeah, I was thinking about going to a few other stops on my way back from Windsor, but today's kind of like especially with the delayed train. And for one, the train was delayed because there was an imposed speed restriction. And I was like, how slow do you have to be going to be delayed 15 minutes? But we'll see. The next time, hopefully I will be at Windsor before 11:30. Hopefully. Yeah, I am walking to the entrance of the castle, hopefully. It again looks like it's going to rain. Look at how long this line is, y'all. What the heck? So yeah, I got to go pretty much skip the line. It took me all of 5 minutes to get through the ticket booth and security. So now I'm on the grounds of Windsor Castle. What's interesting about all these castles that I've been to is that the landscapes they're on are extensive. So, I think I'm gonna go in this. State Apartments. You know, I probably should have did my research to figure out what exactly that means. So this wall basically shows the timeline of when Windsor was built, starting in the 1100s, and I'm pretty sure there was a fire in the 2000s. I think it's on here somewhere. Boom, fire. So I'm back on the train now, and I'm headed back to somewhere in Surbiton. I don't think I'm going to finish my project in my dorm. I think I'm going to go to maybe like a cafe or maybe a university and finish my project there. That way I'm not distracted.
Imagine we can take the world, make the world ours, baby. You ain't gotta worry, cause I'm here by your side. I ain't here to chill, boy, I'm down for the ride.